Significant mismanagement and misspending of millions of federal dollars intended to ease disruption of education during the COVID pandemic in Oklahoma. That's the finding of a grand jury report released late yesterday. Tonight, 2 News Oklahoma's Kathy Tatum digs into its findings and recommendations to prevent something similar from happening in the future.
Grand jury listened to testimony and pored over documents for 2 months before issuing its 31-page report. It found no criminal intent or willful corruption.
But it did find grossly negligent handling of federal grant money.
It characterized the handling of grant money and the utter lack of controls as irresponsible, disappointing, and indefensible.
The investigation came after Governor Stitt filed a lawsuit against ClassWallet, blaming it for the mismanagement. Last year, Oklahoma's Attorney General dismissed that suit as frivolous. The grand jury's report reveals the governor rejected guidance from the U.S. Department of Education recommending states use an experienced state agency to manage this money. Instead, he put it in the hands of private individuals and companies. The report reveals a lack of vetting of those entities and said decision-makers were ignorant of their own ignorance. The report shows inequitable treatment through selective early access to first-come, first-served grants, which resulted in an estimated 657 eligible students not getting help, while many who didn't qualify did get help to pay for private school tuition. The report shows the governor's office intended one of the programs that administered some of the funds, called Stay in School, to be a test case or pilot program for establishing an Oklahoma school voucher program. Under federal guidelines, acceptable use of this grant funding included purchasing educational supplies and services, addressing learning loss, and providing mental health services. However, some of the money ended up spent on televisions, cell phones, Xbox systems, and Christmas trees.
I reached out to the Attorney General's office for comment on the grand jury's report and was told all it would do is release the report. It wasn't going to comment on it. I also checked with the State Superintendent of Public Instruction's office.
Walter's office sent a statement saying he prioritizes carefully and efficiently using taxpayer funds. Unfortunately, in this case, the vendor involved did not adhere to the same standards.
To prevent similar circumstances in the future, the grand jury has several recommendations,
including establishing minimum mandatory and ongoing training for all state entities getting $10 million or more in federal funding each year, and that those entities have written rules and policies for federal grant management guidance. In Tulsa, I'm Kathy Tatum, 2 News Oklahoma.